Week as we run this matter until December 18th, where the finals of the World Cup go play. My name is Richard, and watching the comment of Sport Check, and this is time for the World Cup show for Poco 100.5. And of course, I think my gang members are today, and of course, we all go full up with it happen for the World Cup. World Cup they break, but definitely things no they break for that side. Different level they saw for that place, and we'll talk about what we expect for the quarterfinals. Also talk about some nice stories on the play already on the trend on top the World Cup. I deal with Akpos as usual. This makes sense. Even Akpos, how far?
Okay, Richard, I throw a salute to country people at the hill.
Of course, Michael F. Young there with us very early. This makes sense. Even Michael F. Young, how far?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
So we'll go straight into business and we'll talk as the order as it makes sense this correct evening. And now we'll just jump on what happened yesterday evening. First of all, how many people's prediction were they correct yesterday evening? Morocco and the Spain game. I mean, all of us we talk about Morocco.
All of us being one made Morocco qualifying. So we did Morocco side.
We did Morocco side for that one. But Apostle, I start with you. Morocco qualifying for the quarterfinals. 1990 we been get talking about Cameroon. 2002 we been get Senegal. We been get Ghana 2010, and now we get the 2022. We get the two that they call Morocco to the quarterfinals. How you see the game and how far and how well this Morocco team fits go?
Say when somewhere to come out to talk say the final for inside this World Cup could be between Morocco and Cameroon. Many people they laugh and say, "Oh God, this your carry talk, eh? You get a CB, you understand?" But Cameroon don't go as, but Morocco still they still push for that prediction way somewhere to make. And for me personally, as an African, the things with me well for body you only get because making they be like say the African team for this the biggest event for football. Make money they be like saying, "I follow come we just come make the numbers with the team. We need to come to show working." And again, make I just touch this one. You get one comment where they come from one of the Spain players, the midfielder Rodri, where they play for Man City. Talk one comment say Morocco no play anything for inside the match. Say no one disrespect Morocco. Say but Morocco they just wait.
Just go defend.
Say they just go sit down for back.
They wait for counter attack.
Say they know how far.
But that one normal football tactics. Normally, you feel they play the counter, you stay for back, you hit them when they know they don't they put eye for back. Normal game plan.
Now the matter you talk now everybody go know what they pursue and at the end of the day now who win. Who win now people know.
It took my mind back to what happened. Think that one. I don't know. Now 2010 when Inter win the Champions League, when Mourinho been played, I know Mourinho been played before he played for the final. I don't forget who Mourinho really played, but when he play almost that same kind of formation, that plan of football, where he be just defensive football.
With Diego Milito.
Diego Milito, just defensive football. Diego Milito just will sit down for behind, just no call, no attack, just defensive football, and he favor him. So at the logo for me, not be who. Now Michael talk about yesterday now. Not be who score goal or whatever. What happened? Most part they say who win the match.
And that one I will want.
Who win the match. But more celebrate Morocco. More celebrate. If we feel clap, we will clap for Morocco. I think we will clap for Morocco today. We will clap for Morocco today. We will clap for Morocco. Morocco really try. Michael F. Young, Morocco to the quarterfinals. The last time we saw it happen at 2010, and we know it to be happen at some again. But Morocco will get fit to Morocco, she.
Morocco they did well. About yesterday, I said something yesterday. I say if Spain no capitalize on this their ball possession and tic-tac, maybe a counter if just happen and Morocco will win. Because I observe first half and observe waiting play. If you observe the goal on target for first half, Morocco they are ahead of Spain. Whereby Spain they play football. And then they do the tic-tac, they get ball, but you go wonder how the team no cut favor them on top of a goal on target. But like in the game of football, it don't be. Who take advantage of the play, who score goal, and at the end of the day, penalty happen, and Morocco capitalize on that. Like what they'll tell you for economies, they'll tell you say currency, and now they move economy for football. Now go. They move football. So if you like do this, do that, or play ball, score, it's all nonsense.
Okay.
It's all nonsense.
Oh yeah, good one for Morocco, but more will leave Morocco for now. We'll see we visit Morocco, and more will shift matters to Ronaldo and Portugal. We know if we mention Portugal, we're not gonna mention Ronaldo. And I just scared to talk this matter. Some people feel blasphemy, but we're at the end of the Ronaldo era. We seem to be happy yesterday. The team that they called Portugal been beat Switzerland for that very interesting game. 6-1 for the game. This man, what did they call Ramos? Of course, not the popular Ramos where everybody know. Ramos, 21 years old boy, where they used to take bench Ronaldo yesterday, score 3 goals. The first hat trick for the competition. And I will ask you, we're at the end of a beautiful era of the man that they call Ronaldo, and welcome to another new era.
Make I address them this way. We know if we totally seen at the end of the Ronaldo era because I believe say the end now officially the day when decide say I want to hang my boots. Now that be the end because as far as saying
in dominance done the end. We know they be realistic to ourselves. Dominance done the end already.
I agree with you saying dominance. You understand because now that 7 years no be beans and look the number of years when you don't do them at this high level. You understand even if now one motor you dey drive for 10 years. You don't expect it at the 10th year, the way you drive the motor for the first year. Now, so the motor go see the efficient, that kind of speed and everything, now go they drive. So it goes slow down. So, like you talk, Cristiano Ronaldo don't slow down. Make more no deceive ourselves. You get not be the Ronaldo we know some 5, 6, 7 years ago with the scene now. So that 7 years himself now brave for inside the game now. You understand? So, like you talk now, so now the time when be like saying go sit down for back now, making it encourage
the others, young ones.
You understand? If now second half he enter game. As he enter game, he go make.
But now we think John cause problem for Manchester United when they put up for bench. So Michael, if you be Santos, the coach of the Portuguese national team, Ramos be scored 3 goals. Your next game where you go play against Morocco, you go bench Ronaldo or you go play Ronaldo.
Yeah, for me, for now, I prefer Ramos to Ronaldo. Reason be say, when Ronaldo play match, the attention the day on Ronaldo, and we see how things they be, I be some time ago for inside the Man United, the Wahala and Kasala. I say the Portuguese team they are better off without Ronaldo. Sincerely speaking, another disrespect Ronaldo. I mean, you don't play his due.
So bench Ronaldo,
but there's a guy.
Ramos play.
The coach, he did something. What we say, he touched me. He made that gamble. But not a big gamble anymore. Because if you look at the start of Ramos, he gets about a goal in every two matches
for
Benfica. So he don't do well. And they used to.
You hope Liverpool don't go Russia again.
If it's possible, I go expect any big team, even Chelsea, will be one of the biggest teams in the world.
Calm down.
Who go say not like that?
Now so Liverpool go rush Nunes come out from what they call for Benfica. We know the story. So when they calm down. First.
But Blanco, Blanco did I don't want to call him gamble or that because playing Ramos not be gamble. But the guy sabi play football. You just see his start for there. But one challenge where we say they grab. I didn't mean Portugal they lose that match.
They for blame him. Why he bet Ronaldo?
Of people, I'm not just saying that guy was sleep well yesterday night. But it worked out for him. And I observed something from Vanguard. Playing without Ronaldo, they push away those kind of too much attraction.
Yeah.
They bring some kind of stability for the team, and it didn't work out. It worked out. So going forward for quarterfinal, they won't play Morocco. They're not going to win Shabbat.
Akpos, bench Ronaldo, play Ramos. You be the coach of the Portuguese national team.
Player will score 3 goals for that match, and the way the player they perform, you go just put out for bench. You get the way they did now. So start the player
and you bench Ronaldo.
I go bench Ronaldo.
Okay, we're going to see what will happen. Of course, that will be for the quarterfinals. That means Ronaldo go sit down for bench. Ronaldo, get ready. They say now bench, you go sit down for good. Enjoy yourself for bench for now. So the anger already invest for Man U. You will still go through that same matter for talking about with the Portuguese national team. Now, we'll talk about the World Cup so far before we just progress into the quarterfinals. Now, Akpos, which team impressed you past for the World Cup so far, and which team you see say they go far, will still go far, and which player they look to do wonders still for the World Cup?
The player I could call and a player we already they do wonder. Not already they perform signs and wonders. Will not be the kind Jesus Christ own shot, but they already they show working for inside the World Cup. Kylian Mbappe. We're not talking about this World Cup without we not talking about them. 5 goals already. You understand? And the World Cup quarterfinals never start. So person don't score 5 goals. So we need and to me said that 5 goals like play. If we use that 5 goals, win this highest goal scorer.
5 goals win highest goal scorer. Okay, player so far. Okay, we don't have a player now. Team country don't really impress you so far for their football matters, which country they look?
For team we don't impress me, I'll talk about the Samba boys.
Samba boys, yeah.
I like the way that they play.
Brazil. But we they look how far and how well the Brazilian team won't go. Some they see Brazilian team already, so they go reach a final. Some of us they look and say, "How it will be like if you see Brazil, better maybe Brazil or France, one of these guys, guy won't be like go feed us touch up for the finals, one of them."
It ain't possible now because even France themselves, them they play England and that match go easy, go tire up. But personally, I go the support say France go beat England.
Michael, my shift to you. Which team or which country is the world country don't impress you past? Which player don't impress you past? And which player you still expect they will still impress you going forward?
For players, Mbappe, maybe to some extent, Richarlison,
yes.
to some extent.
We speak against the guy when they fight out on the team.
But on the side of team, I like the way the Netherlands they go. I just like the way the Netherlands they go, and I just hope to see they get something at the end. Maybe get.
So Netherlands Fifa final.
Yeah, maybe.
The unbeaten run away with Van Gaal, the Fifa final with that one.
Yeah, maybe win something. It'll be the first time anyway if they win the World Cup. So I just hope on them.
2010, they very close for 2010. We will forget how Ruben missed several chances for that World Cup final. And maybe not the fact that they never really get themselves back to that time, but they get on that chance for this World Cup. Now, when we look at the World Cup quarterfinals fixtures, we get about 4 different fixtures. Now, for you, which one be the biggest game where we will see for the quarterfinals?
I think it go tough. I think say good between Netherlands, Argentina, and France and England.
Between
those two teams.
I look the France game and the France and England game as the biggest game where we go see for the quarterfinals.
I agree.
Because at the moment we go see
France. That's the biggest game. Then it will start to be the most talk about game.
Yes.
Because a lot of people go talk about media every the French national team. The caliber of players where they did Mbappe and all. They did that team. And also Giroud where we say they behave well like Giroud and the English national team. Anyway, for every
they hype that. The favorites is 1966. Favorites 1966.
They go tell you say it's coming home.
It they come home. If they mistakenly beat France, no one hear what do.
They finished their semi-final last tournament.
Yes, they play Belgium. They play third place with they very correct.
They lose third place.
They lose third place, yeah.
Yeah, this tournament they come out strong and a lot there about the English team. I wish they could go far. Just wish they could go far, but no.
But at least now France you go support her.
Yeah,
because me personally, I look the quality of the England team, and to be very very sincere with myself, France gets more quality past England right now. For me, now my own personal view be that one. I believe guy will be England will collect against France. Now my own personal view be that one. But I don't know. Of England, they get quality to hold France.
They get quality, but I go pick the France team ahead of them.
We have got a very interesting game. Netherlands, Argentina, very big match.
And that two teams they get history.
Yes,
between them before already. We be like say once they jump for World Cup, they always know the easy. So interesting one. And talking about the players, might just give Lionel Messi honorable mention because to me, I believe saying they carry this Argentina team for him back. So if you come on Lionel Messi,
they don't feel bench like they bench our bros for Portugal.
No, they don't try. If they
what if they try? But the person can score 3 goals.
No. I'm not sure that one will happen.
That football, they say that bench. When is that guy? He score 3 goals.
Say Messi don't make things happen. He get with the Argentina team they play.
Yeah, true. They fear when they come the pitch. The defenders go, they tackle them, they try to hold them down and everything. So, but for me, I look out for the quarterfinals. The way to round up Brazil for me. Maybe they get the easiest quarterfinal game. They play against Croatia. Maybe Portugal go feel same way. They play against Morocco. But we wish our Morocco brothers, that big movement for the World Cup.
They will beat Portugal.
They will beat Portugal. Yeah. Michael, I like your confidence. And don't talk. Some people don't stop.
Like my confidence.
Wait, calm down. Some people talk. Say Michael. As he talk, make a prediction also come right.
I like Hakimi. I don't like the boy they play. I don't know.
Wonderful.
And the reason why they send her the kind money, they now don't say to
you don't see now,
I
See?
understand why
Why this?
why
Yes.
Inter buy am and this thing.
PSG come by.
PSG.
I don't see big reason. If I don't get money, so I go bring a conscience.
Conscious.
He
I
wants
do Chelsea fans and I like better thing.
But how you want to take care of Chelsea? When you come meet him brother for Chelsea, there a brother for Chelsea when they play for Chelsea. He not so bad that one is down for Chelsea. So you don't know I won't be like. But when you to play for Morocco, now they can't Morocco on top of your head.
Now they step up now.
Maybe when he come back, he go fit get shirts play. We go see how that one go happen. In like 2 weeks time, we will return back to club football. And now we will see how some players they play well for their club, no if he play for their country. E.g. Lord Harry Maguire. Now you want to end up this makes sense evening. Apples, thank you. So you come this makes sense evening.